Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ananda Ramdania, student number 028. So, here I would like to explain about family across cultures in Manokwari, West Papua. Well, first of all, I would like to explain about the family. So, family is uh, in family there are the economic, social economic, common residence and reproduction. So for social economic in Manokwari, actually it's more middle to up. So means that in here the people not really poor. um, and for the profession in here, most of the people here they um, tend to be farming, fishing, officer and businessman. So I can say that the social economic here is good. And the next the other things is common residence. For the common residence, or we can say that tempat tinggal in Indonesia. So in Manokwari or in my village especially, uh, for the common residence is for the family they uh, live two with the two generation, and most some of them live with the three generation. And for the reproduction, as the ma'am Ocha I already explained before. So they the wife and the husband, and also how to get their children, like that for the reproduction. Well, let's talk about the family types. So for the family types here, there are two family types. The first one is nuclear and the second one is extended. For the nuclear means that only two generations live in one or the same home. Uh, the parents and also the children. And for the extended means that there are at least three generations stay in one home: grandparents, parents and their children. Yet family types in Manokwari more like extended types. So even more than three generations live in one home, like with their auntie, uncle, and etc. So that's the condition in Manokwari in my city. And the second point is kinship relationship in Manokwari. So I would like to explain. There are three kinship relationship types. The first one is lineal, or we can say direct descendants. In Indonesia, we know as keturunan langsung. And the second one is collateral, or addition family, like our uncle, auntie, cousin, nieces and etc. And the last one is affinal. For affinal is our for example, if you got married and your husband parents, or we can say mother-in-law, brother or sister-in-law, something like that. And for the kinship relationship in Manokwari, so most of in Manokwari, mostly about the collateral and affinal kinship relationship. So for the collateral uh, kinship relationship is referred to those who live with uncle, auntie, cousin in one home. And for the affinal refers to those between parents-in-law, family, position, and other things. So let's go to the last point, which is determinant of family types in Manokwari. So the first determinant is ecology. Ecology we know is like the how to say the not biography, yeah, maybe like biography. So for the ecology here means that, wait. Okay, for the ecology here, people here, as I mentioned before, they tend to be farming, fishing. They tend to have a permanent base, land, and houses like that. And usually, part of a town, or because here only a small community, so they have um, a big space or ya big space atau jaraknya jauh between one home and one home. So people here they have a loud voice when we call someone uh, beside our home like that. And the second one is legal system. So legal system here, I think in Manokwari same as the in Indonesia legal system. Like you will be a teenager if you already 17 years old like that. Yet in Manokwari, actually, the legal system here is they what is that? They have a legal system, but most of them are like how to say kayak uh, mereka lebih menggunakan adat istiadat di sini rather than legal system. So that's the condition here. And the other thing is bonds of the community or uh, as I mentioned before, they tend to use customary system. So means that in here the people here this related with the point I mentioned before, the customary system. So if someone already get married, so they do not really go to the like marriage consultant like that, but they just talk or they discuss with their parents, with their family, big family, and they will fix the problem, the marriage problem or nothing another problem with their family, or they use customary system. They don't really use like law. They don't really use law system to fix their problem. And um, the other thing is religion, because in Manokwari most of the native Papua, so they are non-Muslim. Yet for the transmigrate people, they are Muslim, like people transmigrate people from Java, Makassar, Bima, and another city. So um, religion here not really affect the family system, because in here we live with a good or a perfect what is that, tolerance, so it's not really affect the family systems in Manokwari. And the last thing oh no yeah, and the last point is education. Yeah, if we back to the 7 or 10 years ago, they don't really have a good education system. Some of the girls or the women, they tend to they choose to marriage after they graduate from senior high school. But nowadays people here, either woman or boy and the others, they have a good education. So they have a high education after they uh, graduate from elementary or maybe junior high school. They will go to Java or the other place to continue their education. So because nowadays the education system or the education background already good, so it impact to the economic to the social economic, as I mentioned before. They have a good working area and improvement to the environment here. So kenapa well, that's all that I can explain. I'm sorry if I have any mistakes. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.